Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. After this video, everyone will be leaving tampons in their shoes overnight. Let me tell you why. I know this looks so strange. So what I've done, I've just slipped the tampons out of the actual applicator, like so. If you have a ton of these laying around your house, this is gonna be really handy, especially if you have stinky shoes and a lot of moisture in them. These get stinky because I often do not wear socks with them because they're so low, and I cannot find socks that actually stay on your feet without slipping down your ankles. So I love this tampon technique right here. I have an alternative strategy for you. We're gonna get to that here in a second. So what I'm taking here is some lemon essential oils, and I'm just going to douse my tampons in them, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and soak any of this up right here. I'm gonna stick it down inside the shoe. This is great because it's gonna help absorb the moisture that causes stinky shoes and also make it smell better. Yes, leave these in your shoes overnight and you'll come back. You can certainly reuse these. That's the nice thing about it. Just add some more of your favorite and scrumptious essential oil, slide them in your shoes. You could do this with gym bags. I know it looks a little strange, but it works. Garbage cans, bathrooms, you name it. Okay, a second alternative that I have for you. Carpet cleaner. I know this seems super strange, but it works. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of carpet cleaner, carpet deodorizer right in your shoes. And then again, I'm gonna get it down inside. You're gonna let this sit overnight. By the way, this is my favorite smelling carpet cleaner. Well, shall I say carpet and room freshener. Eliminates deep down odors. Great for dampness and mildew odors. Ding, 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 my friend. Thank you, autofocus. When you come back the next day, you can just go ahead and empty this out of your shoe or vacuum it up depending upon what you have on hand. Let me know in that comments box below if you have tried either of these techniques before to make your shoes smell delicious and not like some smelly gym locker room. And just a random fun fact in case you are curious, I wear a size 7.5 to 8 and I am 5'7". And because I want to give you a little bonus tip of how you could continue to reuse the tampon, here is my clever trick for you. Get some fingernail polish remover, soak your tampon in the fingernail polish remover. Watch this. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm not pushing very hard. Wipe, wipe. Do you see right there? Just that tiny spot? Yes, my friend, this works amazing for whitening your shoes. Look at that, dirty. Give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now for some additional genius cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.